Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge fuel gauge malfunction issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A fuel gauge malfunction in the Ford Edge is commonly described as the gauge reading empty or full incorrectly, fluctuating unexpectedly, sticking at one level, or not changing after refueling. Verified technical service information and reviewed fuel system and instrument cluster data indicate that fuel gauge concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on fuel tank design, sensor type, and electrical architecture. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves the fuel level sending unit operation. Wear or failure of the internal float or sensor resistor can cause inaccurate fuel level readings. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical wiring or connector integrity. Damaged wiring, corrosion, or loose connections between the fuel tank sending unit and the instrument cluster can interrupt or distort the signal. Instrument cluster or gauge control behavior is also a documented factor. Internal cluster faults or calibration issues can result in incorrect or frozen fuel gauge readings. Fuel pump module-related behavior is another verified consideration. Since the fuel level sensor is often integrated into the fuel pump assembly, faults within the module can affect gauge accuracy. Software or control module communication is an additional confirmed aspect. Communication errors between control modules responsible for fuel data processing can cause delayed or incorrect gauge updates. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection, voltage irregularities, or fuel tank contamination. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning for diagnostic fault codes, testing the fuel level sensor and wiring, verifying instrument cluster operation, and inspecting the fuel pump module when necessary. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and fuel system-specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge fuel gauge malfunction concerns are resolved through sensor replacement, wiring repair, or instrument cluster service rather than fuel tank replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, fuel system configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge fuel gauge malfunctions are typically linked to fuel level sensor issues, wiring or connector problems, instrument cluster faults, fuel pump module behavior, or control module communication errors. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.